In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Exness Web Terminal. We'll walk through the basic process of opening the platform, selecting an account, viewing charts, placing a trade, and managing that trade once it's live. If you're new to web-based trading platforms, this is a convenient option because it runs directly in your browser, so there's no need to install additional software. To begin, go to the Exness personal area. This is where you can access your trading accounts and launch the web terminal from within your dashboard. Once you're there, locate the account you want to use. You can choose your preferred MT4 or MT5 account, depending on which one you normally trade with. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct account type, because that determines the environment and instruments available to you. After you've found the right account, click on Exness Terminal. This will open the web-based trading interface. Once the terminal loads, you'll see the main workspace, including the chart area and the asset watch list. Next, browse the asset watch list. You'll typically see instruments such as currency pairs, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. When you click on any asset, its live chart will load in the main chart window. This is useful for quickly switching between markets and reviewing price movement before placing a trade. If you're just getting started, it helps to take a moment to get familiar with how the chart responds and where the trading panel is located. When you're ready to place an order, start by setting the volume. This is your lot size, or in simple terms, the size of your trade. Make sure you choose a volume that matches your trading plan and risk tolerance. Then choose the order type. You can select either a market order, which executes at the current market price, or a pending order, which is set to trigger only when price reaches a level you specify. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you want to enter immediately or wait for a better setup. Before submitting the trade, enter your stop loss and take profit levels. These are important risk management tools. A stop loss helps limit potential losses, while a take profit can automatically lock in gains when your target is reached. Setting these in advance can help you trade with more discipline. Once everything looks correct, click buy or sell to execute the trade. Buy is used when you expect the price to rise, and sell is used when you expect the price to fall. After the trade is open, monitor it in the Trade or Open tab. This is where you can track live positions. If needed, you can right-click on any open position to modify it or close it. That's how to use Exness Web Terminal.